Hello everyone, this is my review of the Cuisinart ice cream making machine. It basically has three parts to it, three attachments: the cover, the mixer, and the freezer bowl. I will show you those a little later. The top of it is open, so you can be able to put in your ingredients while it's mixing. So here's the freezing bowl. You have to put that in the freezer for about 16 to 24 hours because there's gel in that bowl that freezes, so it remains cool while it's mixing. And these are the instructions. The instructions actually has recipes in it, so that's one good thing about this. See, this bowl comes off just like that, and you stick that part in the freezer, and it'll freeze the liquid that's in there. This is a liquid that's in there. You can hear it sloshing around. And the base has the motor that spins it around, and I'll show you that in a minute, how it turns when I turn it on. I'll put it back together. Okay, let's turn it on so you can see how it works. As you can see, the freezing bowl spins, and the mixer, it locks into the cover and it doesn't spin, but it still mixes because the freezing bowl is the one that is a part that's turning. So that's pretty cool. By having the open top there, it makes it easy for you to drop in additional ingredients if you want to, or just to see and monitor the ice cream mixing. So this is a cool product, and I hope this review helps.